Hi, I'm Fiona from Tentworld Townsville, and today we're going to talk about our TAS Bivvy Bag. So Bivvy bags are a great little unit. They're nice and compact, easy to fit into the bottom of your pack. They're also a great alternative if you can't take a swag away with you. So they're available in 3 sizes, a medium, large and an extra large, and in 2 styles. So this is our Multicam, and this one here is our Auscam version. So it just so happens this is one I prepared earlier for you. So the TAS Bivvy Bag, they have 3 layers of Gammatex fabric, so 2 layers are there to help with waterproofing. They are 100% waterproof and totally breathable as well. You've also got 1 layer of the Gammatex, which helps with abrasion resistance, meaning you're not going to get little tears and little runs into your bivvy bag, which is always a great thing. So your bivvy bags, on the end of them, they have a box tapered end, so it means that you're going to have a lot of room for your feet. You're not going to feel like your feet are squashed or not. We also have 2 tie-down points on the bottom. Up the top, just before your storm flap, you have another 2 tie-down points. You have 1 underneath your hood. So this aids in tying down your bivvy bag if you're sleeping on a sloped surface or you want to have that little bit of stability. On the storm flap itself, we have 1 at the bottom of the storm flap. We also have another loop at the top. So when you're in your bivvy bag and you're laying there, if you don't like things on your face, the weather's a little bit, how are you? You can tie it up and have that protection from the weather while you're getting a good night's sleep. On the inside of our bivvy bag, we've got our Mitchie-proof float netting. So this zips up. They do have a 2-layer zip, so you can zip it up from the inside. You can also unzip it from the outside. So because of the tapered end of these, a lot of sleeping bags won't fit into them because they have a nice wide end. So what we have here is our TAS Patrol Mark 4 sleeping bag. So these also have the nice round edge. They are tapered at the end. So you can see how it's narrower down the bottom, wider at the top. And these are designed to fit perfectly into a bivvy bag like this. So that's it. You still have plenty of room down the bottom. And then at the top, your Mark 4 fits nicely inside the bivvy bag without any exposure to the ground. So it will stay nice and dry. I've used these plenty of times. They are a good bit of kit to have. So in packing these up, you can leave your sleeping bag inside there, or you can buy, if you wanted to roll it, you can buy a compression bag and put it into that. My suggestion is open the bottom of your pack where your sleeping bag is going to be put, starting at this end, put it in and keep pushing in until the entire thing's in. When you stop at night time and you're ready to get your sleeping gear out, pull it out, give it a shake and you're ready for bed.
So this is Fiona from Tentworld in Townsville, signing off. Make sure you pop into one of our Tentworld stores or jump onto tentworld.com.au. Time for me to hide from the boss, have a sleep. I'll see you later.